Go. Okay, right now we're in the middle of the fort.
In Alaska.
You see the wind?
You see nothing but
Yes.
snow.
And this
It's
is
very
crazy.
cold. And you see this? It's pure snow. You could eat it. It'll save your life. You can't
So-
die of dehydration.
Yes. So we had to survive in snow because
We
There's
lost
no way
our
we can get out of
man
here.
in our mission.
and I think I heard a wolf
A wolf?
and I'm really scared.
Don't be scared.
I haven't
Oh
I haven't
no! Man
gone.
down!
I haven't gone 3 days without sleeping because of this wolf.
It's very cold.
So we'll try to get you later.